In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic pivot table in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to see total sales by region without manually adding them up, a pivot table is the perfect tool. It lets you quickly summarize a large table so you can pull out exactly the totals you need in just a few clicks. Start with your data open in Google Sheets. Make sure your table has clear column headers like region and sales, and that your sales column contains numbers. Then highlight the entire table, including those headers. You can click and drag to select everything, or use a quick shortcut like clicking the top left cell and shift-clicking the bottom right cell to grab the full range. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Pivot Table. When the setup box appears, leave the default setting on New Sheet. Clicking. Create opens a fresh sheet and brings up the Pivot Table editor on the right side of your screen. This editor is where you tell the pivot table how to organize and summarize your data. In the editor, under Rows, click Add and choose the Region field. This places each region as a separate row in your pivot table, setting up the categories you want to summarize. Now go to Values, click Add, and choose the Sales field. Google Sheets typically sums numeric fields by default, so it will instantly calculate the total sales for each region. You should see totals for North, South, East, and West appear right away. If your numbers don't look right, check that the sales column in your source data is stored as numbers and not text. If the pivot shows a count instead of a sum, you can change the summarization in the Values section to Sum. That's a common adjustment and usually fixes unexpected results. A nice bonus is that this pivot table stays linked to your source data. If you update the sales figures in the original table, the pivot table can refresh to reflect those changes, keeping your totals accurate without any manual recalculation. And that's all it takes. By highlighting your table, inserting a pivot table on a new sheet, setting region as your rows, and sales as your values, you've created a clean summary that totals sales by region in seconds. It's fast, reliable, and far less error-prone than adding everything up yourself. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity that pivot tables bring to your data.